cold weather advisory is in effect for the entire viewing area because wind chills will be as low as the teens overnight tonight. So it's going to be very cold out there. Going to need to have ways to protect yourself in that cold. And as we head into Tuesday night, that chance for winter precipitation is growing across the area. All forms possible: snow, sleet, freezing rain, and rain out there. Now, here's what we're looking at right now. This is the frontal system that moved through yesterday, and that brought us all that rainfall. Now we're on the back side of that, and these winds out of the northwest are really going to cool us down. A lot of that Arctic air from the polar vortex, some of that does slip into our area, which is going to make us as cold as we are going to be. And we stay pretty sunny for your Monday before later in the day a couple of clouds start to filter into the area, and then they build as we head into your Tuesday. Cold weather advisory in effect 10 p.m. tonight through 1 p.m. tomorrow. We're going to be feeling below 40 degrees. Our actual temperature is going to be below 40 degrees as well as we head throughout the entirety of your Monday morning. Wind chill values. This is the feel-like temperatures in the teens and low 20s early tomorrow morning when we wake up, and still feeling below freezing throughout much of that morning. That will be spent warming through the 30s, but by noontime we're only at 37 degrees, and it'll feel much colder than that, with the afternoon highs getting into the low 40s, but it'll feel even colder, and that is something to keep in mind as we head into your Monday. The cold weather is starting now. A winter storm watch in effect Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning. This is the first winter storm watch for our viewing area since 2014, so it's been 11 years now since one of these has been issued, just showing how rare this kind of event is. What are we expecting? Some wintry precipitation is possible. Not everybody's going to get on winter snow or ice accumulation. However, there is that potential throughout this region. Now, driving is going to be discouraged Tuesday night into Wednesday, even if it just rains. There's that potential we could get some slick spots as temperatures on the surface dip below freezing, and that could make some very treacherous driving that we are not used to here in this part of the country. So this is one model's interpretation of how things unfold. Around 10 p.m. Tuesday, we're already starting to see some of those flakes enter the region. A greater chance for snow farther north you go. So some of our southern Georgia counties have a greater chance of seeing that snow than, let's say, areas in Taylor County. But this pink indicates a mix of precipitation moving through, and that is a mix between rain and snow. Some areas of freezing rain are possible, where we have the green and the yellow icons meeting up. And that's all going to depend on how cold the temperature at the surface is, but trends have been showing we can dip below that 32-degree mark even as that precipitation is falling. An American model shows a similar story, a little bit more snowfall involved, and then it switches back over to a freezing rain event. So exactly the order of what precipitation falls, things like that are of the nature that we are going to have to watch very closely here. We still have to fine-tune those details. We can't confidently say that this time it's going to be this in your neighborhood. We need to iron that out over the next 24 to 48 hours. But this is the best bet we can give you guys right now. What kind of precipitation are you most likely to see? What precipitation is likely during the majority of the event, even if not the entire event sees this kind of precipitation? Well, areas Tallahassee towards Valdosta up to the north and the west. Those are areas where we could see that rain-snow mix line up. That freezing rain is just bordering, Tallahassee and Valdosta. So we're going to see likely a mix between both of these situations, but freezing rain is where you have rain falling from the sky and it freezes upon contact with the surface. And then far south and eastern areas are more likely to just see rain. And this is a breakdown of those winter precipitation types. Rain, it is above 32 degrees from higher up in the atmosphere all the way to the surface. That's liquid. Freezing rain, it falls, it hits the ground as rain, and then it freezes upon contact. Sleet, it's a water droplet that freezes before hitting the ground, hits the ground as ice pellets. And then snow, that is below 32 degrees everywhere. So what we know about this winter weather potential, we're having a high confidence that there will be some kind of winter precipitation somewhere within the Big Bend in South Georgia, and that will be Tuesday night into Wednesday as our highs remain very, very cold out there.